Very good morning. Little louder. Little louder. My kids. Good morning, everyone. Honorable Chief Guest, respected principal, teachers, parents, and my beloved students. It gives us immense pleasure to welcome you all to our Sports Day celebration. Today is a very special day as it is not only about games and competition but also about teamwork, discipline, and the spirit of sportsmanship. Sports play an important role in shaping our character. They teach us how to face challenges with courage, accept victory with humility, and handle defeat with grace. These qualities go beyond the playground and help us in every step of life. Do you agree with me? Yes? Thank you. Let us celebrate this day with energy and cheer and fair play. I wish all our participants the very best. May this sports day inspire us all to stay active, healthy, and motivated in life. Thank you. Now, I would like to humbly invite our esteemed guest, Ms. Devakanti, who is retired as the Chief Administrator Officer. Ma'am, please come. Then, who is also one of the board of directors in the Solomon's Team and Daycare Trust, to kindly come forward. And one more member of the director is Ms. Jaya, ma'am. Please come forward. Once again, we welcome you, ma'am. Ma'am, go. I request everyone to do a big round of applause. Yes. She is a Chief Administrator Officer who is also one of the Board of Directors in the Solomon's Team and Daycare Trust. To kindly welcome. Already done. Okay, thank you. Next we have Jaya ma'am also. She's a board of director in the school. Now I request parents to stand for 2 minutes. We'll do a silent prayer. Our esteemed guest, Ms. Devakanti, to light the lamp. Please, ma'am. The dispelling of darkness and the spreading of knowledge and wisdom. I would like to request parents to stand for national anthem.
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल वंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
She has rendered 41 years of dedicated and and distinguished services in various capacities in the Directorate of Technical Education, Government of Karnataka, and retired as the Chief Administrative Officer, who is also one of the Board of Directors in the Solomon School and Daycare Trust. Ma'am, once again we welcome you. Chief guest is our Jaya ma'am. We are also honored to have with us another dedicated women officer who retired last year as Assistant Director after 36 years of distinguished service at New Delhi, Shivamogga, Mysuru and Bengaluru in various capacities. She now serves as one of the Board of Directors and also the proud mother of our beloved Principal Madam. Ma'am, once again we welcome you. Thank you. I would request our chief guest to speak a few lines.
Good morning. Namaste. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It is a proud moment to stay here, not as a chief guest, as your close friend. When I was just coming down, this is the first occasion where I am seeing the parents and staff and the little loud ones as a get together for a sports day. Normally, are you comfortable with Kannada or English or English? Okay. Normally in schools in Bangalore especially, we will see the organization conducting the sports meet separately within the school level, and only the prize winners will be awarded the prize at the parents teachers meeting or children's birthday and so on. This is the first school which I am witnessing the parents, the staff, the students and the loved ones together. It is a very proud moment for me, which I am witnessing very rare in Bangalore schools especially. I feel very proud to announce the youngest principal of this budding school, Madam Sharon, who is just meant for her patience to hold the post of a principal. You know what? I address her with a lot of gratitude, because you people nowadays know we have a nuclear family, only one or at the most 2 children we have. You have posed confidence, and I congratulate you people for having put your votes in the most safest hands. Why I am telling you this means, about 6 months back, I happened to meet Madam Sharon in her house. But unfortunately, she was not there. I was contacting Jaya. I asked her, where is she? She said she's tied up in the school. She'll come late. Then around 6 o'clock she came. She came with a wound in her hand. A child has bitten her. Okay, that child was with autism. I think most of you must be knowing what is autism. She had some neurological defect and some mental disorder. So she has sent all the staff, because they toil with your little ones from morning till evening. So she told them to go, and she was with that child till her parent comes and takes her. So when she was just caressing the child bit her on the hand. Then I asked her, Shalu, we called her very fondly Shalu at home. Shalu, why do you wanted to admit this type of children? Because it's very difficult for you to manage with these little ones, and that too with child with a mental disorder. She was telling, Ma, it's not like that, because that child which is suffering from autism has to be given more attention, and it has to be treated with more love. You can imagine the level of patience she has to take that child. I don't have. I'll tell, Shalu, you don't have any other work taking all this type of children. The very crowd here shows that you have posed such faith in that school. One thing. And secondly, school is a second home for your kids. Normally what happens, scientifically, within 7 years, whatever the child learns, whatever the child inculcates, that becomes the base for an individual. After 7 years, you cannot mend her, because children who are within 7 years, they will not do what you say, but they will do what you do. They are so intelligent and they will make us disciplined first. I also congratulate all the teachers here with whom I have seen here for holding the noblest profession. That is the noblest profession of all the professions, because most of you are engineers, most of you may be IT professionals. An engineer makes a building, an artist makes a painting, okay? A scientist makes rocket, but the teacher makes all of them. She will take the child, and I also request the parents to do that SWOT analysis for your children. SWOT means S stands for strength, O stands for opportunities, T stands for threat. Okay, you must identify your child what exactly is her strength. Her strength may be to listen to you or to see you when you are seeing the mobile. That is a strength. You cannot call it as a strength, it is a weakness. It is a weakness for most of us. It is not only for the child. We will put the child with a book and we will be with the mobile. She will not study. She will be seeing what you are seeing. That is because nowadays children are high-tech children. You don't teach them. They will teach us. I would like to quote one example of, you must identify who's that person is. One of the Bangalore schools. There was a kid who was 6 years old. One fine day, she came with a letter given by the teacher to her mother. So she came, she gave the letter to the mother and she said, "Mama, my teacher asked you to read this." She opened the letter. In that letter it is written in Kannada, "Nimma maguna ನಾವು ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಮಗುವಿಂದ ಬೇರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. He never studies, he never listens to teachers, he is very dirty, he has no decorum for the school. So from tomorrow onwards, keep the child with you." So the mother was reading, the child was inquisitive to know what it was. So she was asking, "What is it?" Then the mother told, no, beta, what teacher has written, your son is very intelligent. I cannot teach because my qualification is limited, my capacity is limited. So the teacher has asked me to teach you from home. Why I am telling you, my dear mothers, it is you who should take up the child to that level, keeping aside all her weaknesses and threats, and see that she is up to that standard of the school. That small child whom I am mentioning is a scientist. Can anybody identify? Exactly. You're right. Thank you. So Albert Einstein was a German-born scientist who was inventing, and that is the boy, when he was a little boy, who came to the mother. And after so many years of our scientific investigation, when he passed away, before he could pass away, he told his mother, "Mama, I am going to die. I want that book." That is, he discovered the science of relativity. "I wanted that book with me before I could die." So the mother was crying and he was asking, "You will not die so fast. We will take you to the doctor." He told, No, it is I am going to die and I am going to keep this book where he invented the science of relativity in the left hand. And when he was buried, he told his mother before burial, "And when you bury me, you must put my right hand like this." If you could Google it, you will see. What is the meaning of that right hand? This crossed means, all my life I only gained knowledge, and when I leave this world, I am not taking anything. Okay, so that should be the mentality of a parent, to see that their words, in spite of all their threats and remedy, you will have to take them. Why I mentioned that your child is in the safe hands? To see one child or more than, you may be having one more child, it is so difficult for us. But these these teachers, from morning till evening, because the crowd shows that you feel happy to see that your child is in this school. So I congratulate the staff of this institute once again. and let our interactions go from time to time. I would like to see you in large numbers. I was asking Madam Jaya, how is the crowd? And you are asking me, I came all the way from there. And I request one thing to the parents. Don't give them, you give them, now you take them, you bring them in such a posh manner. Whatever they want, you give to eat. Whatever they want to wear, you buy. Wherever they want, you take them. Nowadays, yesterday I came to know one school for this Dasara vacation, they're taking the kids to Dubai. Because they wanted the children to just cope up with that trend. So they want to send. I request you parents, you give all those things. I am not denying, because after all it's your child, and it may be only one child, it may be a two child. But in spite of all your hurdles, give some time to your child. In the evening, sit with the child and ask, how was your school? What did the teacher do? What did he do? I know, I understand, because most of the husband and wife may be working in corporate school, and some may be a housewife also. In spite of all your hurdles, make the child sit with you. Spend few minutes to ask how was the school, what did she do, and how she feel, because that improves her mental strength. And regarding sports, I am telling, it is nothing but going and playing in the ground or playing in all the playing items. It is just to improve his or her physical health. Physical health improves mental health. Mental health improves moral, ethical, social. So nowadays in the challenging world, the child need not learn only curriculum. As per the new education policy, you must be knowing only 60% of the lessons are taught in class. The other 5% goes for extracurricular activities, the other 5% goes for sports, the other 5% for ethical values, moral values, and the day-to-day informations which we are country facing. Because we are staying in a challenging world, the child should come up to the challenge and see that tomorrow it will not, if not, it becomes like Albert Einstein. At least we will see that, we will take that legacy and see that he will face the challenge of life. We are waiting. I am also very anxious to see the little ones participate in the sports. I wish you all the best. Let our interaction be like this. I would like to see more and more of crowd. At the end, I would like to congratulate the staff and management and all those who are present here to have a good day. Thank you.
पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई, हे देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई, बारिश है या आसमान ने छोड़ दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं, हाँ हम जैसे देखे ये जहां है वैसा ही, जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोचे आओ, पंख जरा फैलाओ, रंग नए बिखराओ, चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले। मस्ती में डोले बम बम बोले, मस्ती में तू डोल रे, बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे। भला मछलियां भी क्यों उड़ती नहीं, ऐसे भी सोचो ना, सोचो सूरज रोज नहाए या बाल भिगो के ये बुद्धू बनाए, हमें ये सारे तारे टिमटिमाए या फिर गुस्से में कुछ बड़बड़ाते रहे, खुल के सोचे आओ, पंख जरा फैलाओ, रंग नए बिखराओ, चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले। आंखें बंद तो डब्बा गुल, ओए बंद दरवाजे खोल रे, हो जा बिंदास बोल रे, मैं भी हूँ तू भी है, ओ मैं भी तू भी, हम सब मिलके बम चिक बम 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 बोले मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे, बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे।
My name is Aliza Fatima. I am studying to UKG. Today will I speak about sports. Sports are very important. When we play games, cricket, football, basketball, follow the rules. Playing every day keeps our body fit and mind happy. So dear friends, let us art. Let's stay healthy. Thank you.
झटका जरा सा महसूस हुआ एक, लाइफ की गाड़ी ने कस के मारा ब्रेक, हो रहा है क्यों कंफ्यूज मेरे दिल, मशवरा मेरा तू आजमा के देख, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक बेटा। चल मसल फुलाना, थोड़ी बॉडी बनाना, तेरे चिकने गालों पे संभल की फसल उगाना, अरे रे रे अबे चल बेटा शुरू हो जा शुरू, बगल उठा के थोड़ा डियो लगाना, किसी बगल वाली को मर्दानी खुशबू सुंघाना, चल ऊपर से दो बटन ढीले करके बताना, बालों वाला सीना दिखाना, बालों वाला सीना दिखाना, परसों तलक तू साइकिल पे घुमा है, हाईवे पे मोटर साइकिल भगा के देख, स्पीड में तुझको अगर सर्दी लगे तो सीट पे पीछे लड़की बिठा के देख, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक बेटा। मिस्टेक यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक।
लगा रे
मैं नाचा तो सबको करंट लगा रे
रंट लगा रे मैं नाचा तो सबको करंट लगा रे तुमका मेरा एक्सीलेंट लगा रे मैं नाचा तो सबको करंट लगा रे
அப்படி பொருட மச்சி கையை ஆட்டி கண்ண சிமிட்டி வீட்டுல நீ கூத்து அடு உலக நிக்குது நான் சுத்துறேன் கப்பல கரையில ஒன்றத கரண்ட் மரண்டு இந்த போடி கண்ணு போச்சு ஆடி ஆடி
हाँ, तू है हंगामा करता है ड्रामा तेवर में तेरे हैं चिंगारियाँ
जाने जमाना सबने है माना रंग जमा तू मैं जाऊं जहां
अरे तू है हंगामा करता है ड्रामा तेवर में तेरे हैं चिंगारियाँ
जाने जमाना सबने है माना रंग जमा तू मैं जाऊं जहां
नाचे से जोर जोर मच जाए शोर शोर दिल सबका धक धक करे
रंट लगा रे मैं नाचा तो सबको करंट लगा रे तुमका मेरा एक्सीलेंट लगा रे मैं नाचा तो सबको करंट लगा रे
नंदरी नमस्कार
Thank you.
Everyone. Good morning, everyone. My name is Fiza Samidravai. I am from Nasakras. Today is our Sport Day. Sport make us healthy, strong, and happy. I love to run the parade with my friends. Thank you. My name is Myra Ruhi. Today I will speak about indoor games. Indoor games are played inside the house: carom, chess, ludo. Indoor games make us smart and active, give us fun and family and friends. So friends, let's play together indoor games too. Thank you. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಸಂಪೀತ್. ಇಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ದಿನವನ್ನು ಆಚರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಕ್ರೀಡೆಗಳು ದೇಹ ಬಲ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ, ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ. ಕ್ರೀಡೆಗಳಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿಸ್ತು ಸಹಕಾರವು ಕಲಿಸುತ್ತವೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಉತ್ಸಾಹದಿಂದ ಆಟಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸೋಣ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Very good. A big round of applause for this little one. Thank you. May I invite Umul Khair's parent to come on the stage. Ma'am, please come and hand over. See Janvi. Come with your husband. A big round of applause. Sumitra, that is Janvi's parent. Next we have Silpa Dalvai's parents for encouraging parents. Thank you, women. much.